guys, welcome to today's video. Good morning for those of you who are watching me in the morning as you're getting ready for your day, getting ready for work, for school. I have a Sephora haul right here to share with you guys. I hauled a few items last week. Yeah, it was last week, like on Thursday or Friday of last week, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. I have an eyeshadow palette, some Tower 28 is in here, Laura Mercier, their new concealer. There's also a new to me brand, and I think it's just a new brand all around at Sephora, and it's Iris and Romeo. This is going to be their best skin days 5-in-1 skincare dewy coverage SPF 30. So we'll be using that as foundation today. I am looking forward to trying all these new goodies out. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steph and I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of haul, get ready with me style of videos, you're definitely in the right place. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up before you go. And as usual, guys, everything will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those things might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping, thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's get ready together, guys. If y'all want to see this new makeup from Sephora in action, keep on watching. All right, now since the best skin days is going to give us a sheer to light dewy coverage, I want to be matte in my T-zone, so I'm going to go in with this one from Makeup Forever. It's their Shine Control Primer, and I'm primarily just going to put this on my nose and like on the center right here of my forehead. This is the oiliest place on my face, the nose especially. Now, the application for this product does recommend using your fingertips, and I'm really excited. This brand, I feel, is new to Sephora. That's the shade I'm going to be wearing, so I'm just going to get whatever's on the lid. And I was really excited to try it out. They didn't have a lot of products to choose from, but they had this one in particular. They had skincare, and I want to say they had like some stick blush slash lippy combos. This was the only thing I ended up choosing from the brand. I just kind of wanted to start small with one thing, and then if I liked it, I could go ahead and maybe get a couple other things. There was and if you hear a bell, it is the rescue cat. They're a handful, guys. I spoke about it. Wait, have you heard me speak about it? I know I spoke about it in one of the videos that I filmed this weekend, but I don't know if that video has gone up. But yeah, they're brother and sister, and they fight like brother and sister, and I would say they're almost a year old. And they had been hanging around outside for a while. And because of the cold weather that we're getting, we just got it this morning, it's like in the 30s right now. I decided, you know what, this weekend was going to be the weekend that I just go ahead and transition them inside. So they did good overnight. One of them didn't learn how to use the litter box. One of them did. So I got some laundry to do when I get home, but okay, well, we'll see. That's how it goes, right? When you're training a new pet. Okay, so this is going on very easily. The moisturizer I applied this morning was the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Face Base. And for being a light coverage, I actually think I'm getting a nice evening out of my complexion. And it's kind of like moussey in texture. And there are different shades to choose from. Okay, so that really applied evenly. And I'm just going to rely on the new Laura Mercier concealer over here that I picked up. This is their Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Concealer. The shade I have in this one is shade 1N0, and then the shade I picked up over here in the Best Skin Days is shade 3. So we'll use the concealer to just conceal all of the areas where I want that added coverage, but I am liking the finish of that tinted sunscreen. Right here on the sides of my cheeks is always where I like to build up coverage, old acne scars, minor discoloration. I'm just going to use my BK A506 travel brush to spread this out. I love Laura Mercier complexion products. I think she always makes a good concealer. Her Real Flawless foundation, which is the sister product to this concealer, was, I believe, my #1 pick of best foundations of 2023. So if you have not tried that out, I highly recommend trying it out. I feel like it was around this time last year, maybe a little bit later, maybe into February, early March, when that foundation came out, and I knew then that it was going to make the top 10 list because it just looks so good. And this concealer is no different. It's just melting into the skin. I'm loving the coverage that it's giving. Okay, so I'm thinking that this is looking pretty good. We do have a, let's see, what do I have as far as, oh yeah, I have two. I have a cream bronzer and a cream blush that I'm going to go in before I apply setting spray. Now we're going to go in with this Shimmy Haze Beauty. This is called the Skin Suede Melting Bronzing Balm. I did swatch it already, but this one is in the shade Cedar 02. I'm taking this on my Smashbox Cream Cheek brush. You'll notice I'm doing it on my cheeks first. I've been bringing the bronzer contour down to the cheeks. I know you guys saw me pretty much all of last year not doing that, but I kind of feel like doing it again this year. So I've been liking the way it looks on my cheeks. Let me know if you guys have tried Shimmy Haze Beauty. They are fairly new to Sephora. And the other day I was going to pick something up, but I just didn't. I don't know why, but this time around I decided I wanted to, just because I wanted to try like new things that were going on over there. This bronzer seems like a really nice shade. And it is more of like a cream to powder bronzer, at least in my opinion. Now, a new little set that I picked up that I just couldn't resist is this one from Tower 28, and this is their collaboration with Kung Fu Panda 4. I believe this could be limited edition. This is the shade Dumpling Hour. And I'm going to use my BK 109 to start applying. I think this is a beautiful red shade. Valentine's Day, guys. And I don't know how long this is going to stick around. I am more than sure that this is limited edition. Okay, so now that we have the blush on, do I have a cream highlighter? I don't think I have a cream highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and add my setting spray right now. And I picked up a new bottle of the Milk Hydro Grip and Set refreshing spray. All right, now before I go into brows, I'm going to use this new one from Lawless. This is their Vanilla and Cherry collection, and this is their lip balm. And I'm just going to apply it. You know, I should have done the lip mask instead, because I have a new lipstick from Makeup by Mario that we're going to use in today's video, but just to give my lips a little bit of added hydration. I think it pairs really well with the blush too. Now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with this new one from the Sephora collection. I think you might have seen me use this in my one of my last Get Ready With Me videos, but this one is in the shade 06 Rose Quartz. I'm just going to use my Rare Beauty highlighter brush to apply. Now I'm just going to bring back a little bit of the blush, kind of fuse it with the highlighter. And I think our base complexion is done. I'm going to pop off camera to take care of brows. And then I'll be right back, and we're going to start playing with the green Sephora Precious Gemstones palette. This is the one I skipped over because I got the neutral one, but I had such a great time with that neutral palette that I definitely wanted to pick up the green. So I will be right back. Okay guys, brows are on, and I forgot to mention that I did go ahead and set my face with this new Sephora Collection Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I have been liking it. I've been wearing it ever since I got it. It's been probably over a week now, and it's been working out really, really well. So let's dive into the green Precious Gemstones palette. You do get a mirror, and then these are the 4, 5, 6, 7 different shades that you get. Guys, you know I love, love, love green. We're gonna start with this shade right here. These two look really similar, but I know they're not. So we're gonna work with those 3 matte shades. This is just like a brow bone highlight, or you could use it to set your eyeshadow primer. I went in with the ABH eyeshadow primer, but I don't like to set it. So I probably will keep this as a brow bone highlight, but I'm loving these 3 shimmer shadows. These look a little more sparkly than this one does. This looks like more of a traditional shimmer, but I'm gonna do my best to use as many shades as possible. So we'll start first with this one. And I'm taking this shade on a rougher 14 Max. Just use that as our transition shade. Now in a rougher 01 Mini, 01 Mini, yeah. I'm going in with that mid-tone green shade. Ooh, this is really pretty. Just gonna focus that right in here in the outer corner and into the crease. Might save that darker green for the lower lash line because I feel like this green has enough depth in it. Okay, now I think I am going to do the shade first for the lid. And I'm taking that on my Morphe M124, and I am just going to spray it with some Matte Fix Plus. And let's see what this is going to look like. Ooh, that's pretty. I think I'm going to add that light gold shade in the center of the lid, as well as on the inner corner. And then I think we can use that other green shimmer for the lower lash line, along with that other matte green that I didn't get to use. Ooh, that is a beautiful green shimmer. Love it. Nice olive shade. Now with that same brush, I'm going in with a little bit of that gold shimmer. I'm just applying right here to the center. Now in a BK A504, I'm going to go in with this deeper green for the lower lash line. Now for the lower lash line, I'm also going to go in with this green shimmer on a Refro 3, and I am going to spray it. I'll focus that right in here. I am going to have to bring that lighter gold shade down a little bit, but I at least wanted to try and use every single shade in the palette. Now I'm picking up some of the gold, just right in there. Perfect. Now we're going to do that bone color shade on the brow bone. And I'm using a Refer 02. Okay guys, I'm loving the way this look turned out. I think it looks so good. Let me do some Rare Beauty eyeliner. That way we can apply the mascara on camera together, since that is a new product, not just at Sephora, but also at Ulta. Is my camera going to focus? Please. Now let me use my Refer eyelash curler. Now this is the mascara we're going to go in with. It is the new one from Too Faced, Naturally BTS. I like the original BTS. The only thing I don't like about it is that it flakes on me. So we'll see if this one is any different. I got the mini size, obviously, but of course they do have the full size. All right, so I think it looks pretty good. I haven't done the bottom lash line because I need to go in with an eyeliner in the waterline, but I'll take care of those finishing touches off camera, and then we will apply the new Makeup by Mario lipstick together. And then that's it. Then we're done. All right, guys, so I added a little bit of this House Labs eyeliner to the lower waterline. This one is in the shade Chartreuse Matte. Now let's go in with the Makeup by Mario lipstick. This is one of his new ones. This one is in the shade Harlem. Love that shade. I've never tried any of his lip products before. All right, guys, and with that, this is the completed look. Full face, trying new makeup at Sephora. I loved everything, you know. We'll see on, the only one I'm a little skeptical about is the new Too Faced mascara, just because the old version tends to flake on me. But everything else looks really good. I'm really loving this Best Skin Days from Iris and Romeo. I think it applied really well, and I have very, very high expectations for the new Laura Mercier Real Flawless Concealer. I will do a check-in once I get home from work, just so you guys can see how the makeup wore, and I'm not going to do any touch-ups today. Hey guys, so this is what the makeup is looking like almost 11 hours later. Everything is still intact. Look at that blush. I didn't do any touch-ups today, and I have a nice glow. I wouldn't say I'm like super shiny, and that's pretty good considering that this is like a glowy tinted sunscreen. The only thing that I'm still on the fence about is the mascara, because it did kind of smear a little bit right there, a little bit over here. But other than that, I am loving the way this face of makeup looks 11 hours later. So I'm looking forward to it. Have a great day, blessed day, productive day, fun day. And I will see you guys in the next one. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.